In this video, I'm going to show you part 2 of 3 called budgeting. You'll notice I've taken the liberty in cell A15 to type in the label, your name. Obviously, you'll fill in the correct answers here in whatever section you're in. Headings, heading, and heading. Now I tricked the computer here to think that it's a heading by placing an apostrophe. And over here I've listed the labels of all the expenses, and in column B I've listed the value of each label. Now what we must do before we continue on is complete the total expenses for this column. To do that, I'm going to click an equal sign because we already know all equations must start with an equal sign. Sum, left parenthesis, and to make this easier for you, what you can do is click on this cell right here, B19. You'll notice it's recorded, colon, and go all the way down to B28 and hit your enter and hit the right parenthesis, then your enter key, and it adds up to total expenses. Now what we can do, since the car expenses are relative to the same position, I'm going to place the cursor here, click my right button, and click on copy. Go over here to this cell where we want the total car expenses, right click and hit paste. And when you do that, you'll notice that the total car expenses are made available for us. Now what we have to do over here under total expenses is add these two up. To do that, what I'm going to do is hit the equal sign. All equations start with an equal sign, and I'm going to calculate B30 plus, and it's going to be D30 equal sign, and it gives us the total expenses that we have for the car and the home. Now the money left over, we're going to subtract this amount from here. To do that, equal sign, and the $2,000 income is located in cell E20. So it'll be E20 minus the total expenses, which are located in E23. And hit your enter key. So now the total expenses that we have are $532. So your savings, we have an awful lot here. Probably what we want to do is increase our savings. Instead of $150, let's make it $250 and watch what happens. The total expenses go up. However, what's unique here is that we're saving more money. We don't want a lot of money in our pocket at the end of the month. We probably could increase that by even a larger amount. Now we've completed part 2 of 3, and I'm going to scroll down here and we'll go to the third part.